Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And since all of you viewers are new, let me just explain. This is going to be strictly the unboxing video where I explain why I bought them and what I think about the first impression. There will be a review, but that will a week, 2 weeks away from now. So another pair of headphones. I buy a lot of headphones, and lately, no, I still buy a lot of headphones. But what I wanted to say is that I'm really happy with my JBL Tour 1. Really happy. But of all the people that I've recommended them to, only one has bought them. And that is my best friend that buys everything that I buy. He goes strictly after my word. And he's super happy with them as well. But everyone else thinks that they are expensive. And yeah, it's a lot of money, but I really think they are good. So today I have a pair of Skullcandy, and the box is much smaller than expected. And let me just talk about Skullcandy for a minute. I tried the very first, or at least one of the very first headphones that they made. Red candy, apple, paint, metallic, with a big skull on, and the sound was terrible. Terrible. So bad that I didn't even look at anything from Skullcandy for at least 10 years. Then 3 or 4 years ago, time flies, 4 years ago, I happened to pick up a pair of Skullcandies. I don't remember why. They were just cheap. I think that was the main reason. I just needed something to make like a phone call or something. I was at the store. They were on sale. I just grabbed a pair. They were charged when I unboxed them. And this surprised me. And I gave those away. And the person I gave them to really liked them. And Christmas came up and everything. So I bought a bunch of them and gave them away, and everybody liked them. So after that, I bought many of those headphones. And I mean, the price were like 25 euro, 30 euro. And they were actually good. They fit well on the head. They stayed on the head even when you did exercises or workout or whatever, working with your car mechanic. The sound was pretty good. Talking in them was pretty good. And the battery life was amazing. I even gave those headphones away to strangers. We have a gala here in Sweden, Green Light Gala, and I just bought a bunch of them and gave them away to strangers, just for fun, because I really liked them. And now okay, there are two silly reasons why I bought these. The first reason is that since you think these are too expensive, even though I really recommend them, I'm trying to find the line where price-worthy and affordable is equal. Because I think that these are really price-worthy and really good, but maybe not affordable. So if you understand the difference, these are not new. The retail price are like 140 euros. They were on sale. I think I paid 120 euros, maybe 110. At least I think they are cheap. So they are at least 100 euro less than the JBLs. And the other fun thing that made me buy them, not only to do a review for you guys, and I like to get the experience, the reference, because I like to try out headphones. It's as simple as that. But the funny thing is that I liked about them is that they have a tile in them. You know the key searching function tile? These have that. And I use tile a lot. Yeah, it happens that I misplace my headphones, but I usually find I have a big drawer where I put my headphones or they are charging. So just for fun. I don't know when I'm going to have any use for it, but just for fun. You have tile in the headphones. All headphones should have that. So if you lose them, you just go in the tile app and you just call after them and you can see where they are. I just thought that was fun. So let me show you the unboxing. So the packaging feels very cheap, and I don't mind that in this case, because in this case we want to find something that is as price-worthy as possible. I don't mind that they skip spending money on the packaging and travel case, etc. So this is the travel case, a very thin pouch. That won't do anything. I'm guessing that we have a charging cable here. Aha, they do have 3.5 inlet. I did not expect that because many headphones have been stopped doing that. And USB-C. All right, I did not expect that either. And here we have the headphones. Smaller than expected. They have 3 expensive headphones on the website. The most expensive one is €300, and I would never pay that for a pair of Skullcandy. They should be really good if I'm going to pay that. The second pair was €170, €180, and these were €130, €140. So this is the third most expensive one. And they look to be the same size, but I think these are kind of small. Plastic, and yeah, let's put them on. So I'm gonna try them out for a couple of weeks, or at least a couple of days for you, and then come back with a video. The passive noise cancelling isn't nothing special. I can hear myself clearly. The cups could be a little bit bigger, but I think that the muffs are thick enough because I can't feel my ears. Yeah, it does touch the elements, but I'm not super disappointed, not yet. Okay, they are okay, they fit me okay, they feel okay. So this is the unboxing part. I will come back with a full review. So don't be too disappointed about the unboxing part. Skullcandy Hesh ANC, I think they are called. Yeah, so they have active noise cancelling. See you soon.